Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video, and today we will continue to learn and improve your speaking English skill. And the topic today is the learn the pronounce, the sound we learn, and the review is S. Yeah. And here, you can see here five sentences using the sound, and practice saying each one and paying attention. Yeah, paying attention the clarity and sharpness of this at the beginning or within the words. Okay, and now we first start the sentences number one. Sarah. Saw seven slivers while swimming. Yeah. Please send some simple samples soon. The stars show brightly in the silent sky. Seaman says silently sipping soda. And she sails by the seashore. She sails by the seashore. I think it's very hard. If you don't want to, if you feel difficult to pronounce this sentence, can you then copy the each words and you uh, pronounce each words and so if you know the alphabet, you can speak all the sentences. I think it's very nice for practice. Okay, goodbye. Thank you for watching and see you next my video.